Hi, I'm Vivian Sinha and my pivot ID is 10820261 and we are from group 16. Uh, so the basic scenario that we have got was to create a desktop application to the customers, which make them easy to decide which furniture that they have to buy or that they wish to buy. They can decide it from adding the measurements of their expectations for their room size and the expected furniture sizes through this system. So this system will lead the users to get an idea about which kind of furniture that they have to buy according to the size of their room. So the foundation of a project or the UI of a project is created by Akhil. So I will give him the chance to explain how the project started and how the project went. Over to you, Akhil.
Thank you, Demu. Hello, everyone. I'm Abdullah Ahmad. My student ID number is 108208447, and I'm work with Figma Interface Design. Today, I want to take a moment to discuss the vital stages of prototype design, the low fidelity prototypes, and its evolution into high fidelity prototype. Uh, these two these two phases represent critical milestones in the journey of interface design, each offering unique insights and opportunities for innovation. Let's begin with the low fidelity prototype, a rough sketch, a basic wireframe, a blueprint of our design. In this stage, we focus on the fundamental structure and functionality of the interface, stripping away unnecessary details to prioritize clarity and usability. It's a phase characterized by simplicity and speed, where we iterate quickly, explore different concepts. The low fidelity prototypes serves as a blueprint of our design, guiding us as we refine our ideas and move closer. But as valuable as the low fidelity prototype, maybe it's just the beginning of our project, of our journey. As we gather feedback, refine our ideas, and gain a deeper understanding of our users' needs, it's time to transition to the high fidelity prototype, a polished, pixel perfect representation of our design. In the high fidelity prototype, every details matter, from colors to typography to interactions. We craft every element of the interface to create a seamless and immersive user experience. But beyond its visual appeal, the high fidelity prototype serves a practical purpose as well. It's allow us to test our designs in a more realistic context, uncovering usability issues, refining user flows, and ensuring that the interface meets the needs and expectation of users. So thank you. Now I invite Yumi to conduct further.
Thank you. I'm Uyangara Tatsarani and my Plymouth ID is 1082091. So I'm going to talk about how our app works. That means the flow of our app. So this page is what users see when they first open the app. Basically, this is what the designers of the furniture shop see first. So this login page takes user credentials to allow user to use the app. In this login page, user have to add their username and password. So we have used safety protocols here. So if the username or the password added by the user is wrong, it will show an error message and won't let users to log into the app. If the credentials are correct, then app will direct user to the next page where the user can select furnitures. So next, Vihanga will explain the rest.
Thank you, Piyumi. I'm Milvan Samarapon. My Plymouth ID is 108200942. So in this window, we are getting details of users furnitures. First of all, the user have to add room width and height. So I'm going to input some random numbers to check this. Then there are bed, table, chair, dressing table, cupboard. These all furnitures has have length and width, and also there is a shape to represent it, and also there is a color. So I will fill this all with the random numbers. And there are three types of shapes. It's rectangle, circle, and triangle. When the user is selecting, when the user is select this shape, uh, this furniture will be represented in this shape in the 2D mode. So let's see. And user can select the color to represent the furniture. I'm selecting randomly. When user finish all fields and click create room, it will be show the 2D mode. So user can adjust their furnitures in their room like this. Then the user can click the show in 3D. It will be showing 3D mode. First open the canvas and rendering our 3D models. This is the 3D mode. User can see their room in 3D mode. So that's it. I will hand over the presentation to Sachin Takalankar. Thank you.
Thank you. I am Madhuri Chakalank and my Plymouth University index number is 108208885. My part in this presentation is define the imported library files in this project. So Java Swing is used as the base language. Also the library mentioned here is imported as a library file. Now I'll explain those library files one by one. The first library file provides a set of GUI components of Java applications. It includes classes for building graphical user interfaces, such as windows, buttons, labels, text, fields, and more. And the second library file is a Java library that provides binding to the OpenGL API. It allows Java developers to access OpenGL functionality for rendering 2D and 3D graphics in their applications. The third one is a Swing component provided by GeoGL for embedding OpenGL rendering into Swing applications. It extends JPanel and allows OpenGL rendering within a Swing-based user interface. And the fourth one is a class provided by GeoGL for spacing the capabilities required for OpenGL rendering. It allows developers to spacing parameters such as OpenGL version, double buffering, depth buffer, extensive buffer, and more. The fifth one is a class provided by GeoGL for managing OpenGL profiles. It allows developers to obtain OpenGL profiles based on specific requirements such as compatibility version and capabilities. And the sixth one is a utility library that provides functions for creating windows, handling import events, and performing common tasks in OpenGL applications. It simplifies tasks such as creating menus, handling keyboard and mouse events, and managing windowing systems. Seventh one is the GUI toolkit provided by Java for building graphical user interfaces. It includes classes for creating windows, buttons, menus, and other GUI components. And the eighth one contains even listeners interfaces and class for handling GUI event in Java applications. It allows developers to uh, the user actions such as must clicks, prepresses, and Windows events. The last one is a utility library that provides additional functionality on top of OpenGL. It includes functions for performing transformation, projections, and other common operations in 3D graphics. GLU is often used alongside OpenGL for tasks such as perspective and projection and matrix manipulation. And that's all for my part, and for now on, we will continue this. Thank you.
Thank you, Sachinda. Again, I'm Devni Amarthinga and Mathimatai is 10820261. So I will go through with some functions that we have used inside this project. So the main one is the furniture design app. There will be 3 more nested functions like JPanel, JTextfield, and JButton. In JPanel, there will be 2 panels. One is login panel and the other one is input panel. And when it comes to the text field, there will be 2 text field, the username field and the password field. And buttons, login button, create room button, and sign up button. And when if we talk about the furniture design app function, there's a special feature in Java Swing. There won't be any close or the cross symbol to close that window. There will be a function which hides that window and run in the background. For that, to get that close button to the window, we use the code exit on close code. So next, we have used pre-build or hard-coded username and a password to log in for this system as we consider about the UI part, UI UX part in this project more than the coding part. Next one is creating room. In this part, we will get you 2 user inputs. For one is for the width of the room and the other one is for the height of the room. So based on these 2 parameters, this system creates the room in the canvas. Then we create the furniture in that at furniture functions. A function there will be we take to the that function as a name of the furniture, shape a shape for the furniture, and with length and a specific color for that furniture. So this will be the coding part coding part for our project, and it's our presentation. Thank you.